Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 Sea Ray 210 SPX. Gorgeous boat, just came in. We're going to have a white top and bottom hull side to this with a horizon gray side hull color. Very sharp looking boat with dune interior. Really cool looking setup. As we come around towards the back of the boat here, we're going to notice this is going to have the submersible swim platform on it. This boat also has the 250 horsepower engine in it. With that, you get the nice stainless steel prop on here as well. Nice drop down 4-rung ladder, stainless steel, nice and deep, easy to get in and out of this boat when you're out playing on the water. Let's hop inside and take a look at some of the features. All right, so now as we step aboard this boat, as we look at the back end here, on our sun pad, we have this nice flip up backrest. Really makes it nice and accessible to hang out in the back of the boat, get some sun, watch kids play. We've got that manual swim platform that drops down like I talked about. As we look through the interior here, we have tons of storage underneath all of our side entry here. So in that compartment, gonna have storage. This compartment, more storage. Underneath this seat, more storage. Built-in cooler underneath the main back seat. Storage off in the back corner here, giving you lots of places to put your sandals, towels, things like that. Also going to have a portable cooler on this side as well. It makes it easy to bring all your stuff from the house onto the boat. In-floor storage and sea deck throughout the interior. So this is going to have the glue down sea deck, which is a change that they did. So no more snap down, just all glued down. This is a really nice boat, well equipped. It has the upgraded interior package on it. Our standard gauge setup to it. It's a nice setup here. Give us a call at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota.